This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Wednesday, so I just want to go straight to NASDAQ 100 and also US30, but I will just start with NASDAQ 100 at the moment. So if maybe you did not watch yesterday's video, for analysis, please do check yesterday's videos, then you will get everything there, because here it's just a continuation of whatever that I did yesterday. So here we have a sorry we have a support here. I think everyone can see this one. Everyone can see a support here. So what do we do from here? It's a 4-hour time frame. So actually yesterday we had a very rough day, so we lost and we also recovered some few profits. But let's check what really happened. So the market, actually we can see from this point the market really makes sense from this point. And you can see even here the market just created break out of this resistance and came back and retested, you see. So I don't know what did we miss. I think maybe we thought the market broke out, retested here, I think, then we thought we should buy, then the market just came back again. But on a bigger time frame, everything is very clear here. So some, maybe you can even extend this trend line. If you want to start it from here, you can start from here, but it means you will cut this portion here. It means this portion, it will be like it will be like a fake breakout. Let me remove this one, you will see that, you see. So it means we're gonna have something like this here, which is also okay. When you withdraw these things, trend lines, downtrend or uptrend, they won't always be perfect. So the best thing that I do, I like to use double lines like this, because here it's a zone. It's not like the market will just respect the line. So it's just a zone. So at the moment we can see that the market broke here, or firstly I can see the market, there's a bigger candle here which closed above our resistance, which shows us that the market is willing to go up. And remember, we have a very strong support this point here. So the market broke, then retested. You can see the market reached our resistance here, then the market is shooting up. Unfortunately, I won't advise anyone to take trades from these positions, even if it's it's clear view. Here you can see that the market is going to push up, but it's still early. And when the US Open starts, most of the time the market just rejects before it can go up. So unfortunately I won't send the signals on YouTube, but if you are in the group, then you'll get everything there. So the market most of the time rejects before it goes up, so that will be sent on the group. But here you can see the market just broke our resistance here, then retested. It's what I preach about every day. The market should retest, then you buy safely. Here it's a very nice buy. It's a very nice buy. It can just move, but unfortunately when the market opens, the market can just go up and down before it takes a clear direction. So let me use something like this, maybe you can understand better. So the market broke from this point, we do nothing, unless if you are aggressive trader, then you can just take a buy, but mind the rejection. When the market comes and retest, then the market can push up. The market can push up like that. So sometimes when the market opens, or let me just use a very smaller time frame, because you can't really see those candlesticks that I've drawn on a 4-hour time frame. I was using 4-hour time frame. So sorry. So let me remove this. So you can see the market uh, broke our resistance here, came here, retest, then the market is about to go up. I'm not saying the market won't go down again, but it's a very clear view that we should. At this time, actually, it's a nice time to buy. The market is going up. There's possibility that the market can still go down, but at this point, it's where we place our orders. Then the market will just keep going up slowly. You see, but the best thing is we wait for the market to open. Then we can have a very clear view, because sometimes before the market opens, hey, the market will you will hold your position like for more than 6 hours, and the market won't just move like that. Even if maybe there is Asian open, Frankfurt open, whatever, but the market really moves when a New York Stock Exchange opens. So we will wait for that. So we won't rush into the market. So I don't think we have much of stuff that we can do from this point, because I think everything is very clear at the moment. So we are just waiting for the market. Obviously, the market can just push up from this point, but we will see later on where can we enter our positions. You see, because it's a very nice um, it's a very nice we are on a very nice position at the moment. Here it's where we should just place our buy orders. Unfortunately, because we follow the rules, unfortunately, you don't just place the orders because you see a very nice opportunity. You should follow other rules. So we know that the market will just play around this point. So around when the market open, we can still be around here, and then we can still have a nice buy or a nice sell. But at the moment, the overview or the overall picture is the market can still go up, because we are at the lowest at the moment. Even if the market maybe can still go down, but you can see our support is very very close. So it's not like the market will just move around, but the market won't play around this position. So I expect the market to just push up. You see, so I'm not saying go place buy orders whatever. So the best thing is to wait for the market to open, then see what's really going on, then you can take it from there. So from here, I think on NASDAQ everything is simple, straightforward. So let's go to US30. On US30, I think, let's see. On US30, let's see. Okay, on US30, it's like this. Let me just put this on 4 hours so that you can see everything. So on 4 hours, we have something like this. The market rejected from this. Some of these things you should just keep them on your chart and don't remove them, so that you can see what's really happening. So I don't really like to put things on my chart and leave them like that, because I think I end up being lazy. I no longer even analyze, because everything is there. So every day it's a new day. I start from scratch. So even if maybe yesterday I did a mistake or something, I can able to see or to find or to correct that mistake easily, because I'll be drawing the new trend line and stuff. So here you can also maybe draw even here. These things I did on the other videos, you can see them easily. So this point you can see, even here it's a resistant, and even here it's a resistant. So it's like our market started consolidating again. I talk about this thing each and every day. So if you still remember, I spoke about this thing, this confusion. If you checked other videos, this confusion happened now and then. So this confusion happens to trick us or to make you lose, then the market will get back to normal. So what I'm talking about, it's like something like this. You see, the market was just moving nicely. The market is moving nicely. Boom, we have this. You see. Then after, it seems like the market is it's back to this track again. The market is just moving nicely again. You see that? I hope you see that. Uh, let's go straight again. It's a 4 hour. Let's go to a smaller time frame. I hope everyone can use bigger time frames when they analyze, because it's easy to see the bigger picture. So from this point, you can see our market was just crazy. We broke. Sorry, let me just throw you a nice line here. We are not in a hurry, guys. If maybe you take shortcuts, even the market will just do the same to you. So you don't have to take shortcuts when you trade. Actually, it's money. It's not easy money. When you trade market, there's not easy money. So you work for it. So you can see the market just broke here, and likely enough the market tested here. I think we took this trade. I think it was Monday. We took this trade even if we got out somewhere here. Then yesterday the market just tricked us around. I no longer remember it's here, but we bought. Then the market went down, came up again. But it's part of the game. We sometimes lose. We also recover. Stuff like that does happen. So the market, after this crazy move, you can see the market is back to normal. Obviously, this is a consolidation. It's ranging. The market is just going up and down. You can see the market broke from this point, and we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're all our 1 hour time candlesticks. It means the market was just playing around here. The market was just rejecting. So this is a resistance. So sometimes I mess up these things. I call resistance support, sometimes support resistance. So, but I hope you understand. So from this point, you can see here it's a resistance. Then the market came back here, then just retested here, or we can call it a support. Sorry, let me remove that. So the market again went up. You can see two candles, mean 2 hours. The candles came there and rejected from that point. Here the market did not reach this point, but you can see we are on this zone. When I say the zone, I hope now you remember. Then I see the market again, it's going to this point, and we already identified this point. So there's a possibility that the market can just shoot down, do stuff like this before the market breaks to the top. You see? So it's where we say the market is easy to trade. The market is easy to trade is something like this. When the market was, unfortunately, you were not in the group, or still some of you that are not in the group. So we have a WhatsApp group. It's $15. WhatsApp me if you want to be in the group. So if maybe you were here, you can see it's easy. You can just buy, sell, sell, buy, sell. You can see this, everything was easy. But the market has its ways of doing stuff. Obviously here we had a problem. Maybe you can see that here again it's another confusion that if maybe you made profit, if you are not patient enough, or if you are not applying your risk management, whatever that you did here, because here it was very easy, so it was easy money. It means if maybe you are greedy somewhere here around this point, you lost something, right? So if maybe you lost something here, it means there's something that you should learn. You should learn that you should not always be in the market. You should know these moves. So even I don't know, let me try to copy something. I just want to show you. I hate cutting corners, guys, so I just want to copy this thing and paste it here. You will see what I'm trying to say. Let me just pause. Okay, let me show you this. Let me show you this. I'm gonna cut from this point until here. You see? So I'm going to take this and put it somewhere here. I don't know. Yeah, somewhere here. I want you to see this. So something like this. Oh, sorry. Oh, damn. This. Okay. Okay. So, fuck it. So this thing. Let me just remove this. I'll just copy that again because it moves crazy. So it's from here to here we have this portion. I'll just take it to here. You can see that the market can still, I'm not saying the market will just create this exact move, but you can see that the market can create, it's creating this kind of moves. You can see that. You can also draw the one in the on the bottom, something like this. So the market will just create stuff like this before. Maybe it might push down or push up, but something like this will happen. So I hope maybe you understand from this point. But when, let's just check if maybe there's good entries that maybe we can use maybe later on. But no, let me just go to a smaller 30 minutes. No, you can see the market starting to reject from this point. Even if maybe, let's see if we can say it's a trend. No, we can't say something like that. But maybe we can say, since we had these moves, let me remove this ones. That's why I like to analyze the market now and then. So you can see we had this, but this will no longer make sense that much since we are already in a ranging market starting from this point. Then the market will move up, down, up. The market can even cross this point. Don't get confused with this because maybe you already analyzed the market like this. The market can just break this resistance and start to move up like the like the working this copy and paste that I showed you a few seconds ago, that the market can just do something like that. So this really makes sense, but but the market can, since the market changed into a ranging market, the market can break this support very easily, right? So I don't see any buy position or sell position here. It's where we sell actually, but since the market is not open, anything can happen. The market can break here, so the best way is to wait for the market to react, then we can see what we can do. I hope maybe you grabbed something from this video. If maybe you learned something, please hit that like button. Also subscribe. You can just share with your friends, whoever you want to share with. And I hope you check other videos that I do. Maybe they might be helpful, since it's a continuation for day-to-day trades, daily analysis. You can understand these things very easily if you just follow. Only a week you can see what's really going on. It's NASDAQ, it's also US30. If you want to be in the group, WhatsApp me. We can just see what we can do. Thank you so much for watching.